making 4 ingredient Snickerdoodle pumpkin cookies. Oh, yum. Got my spice cake mix and a pumpkin here, not pumpkin pie filling, just pumpkin. Got my Snickerdoodle topping here with my cinnamon and sugar. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop a little, oops, I did that wrong, I guess. Then I'm going to take my cinnamon and sugar, sprinkle it on top. All right, I'm gonna throw these in the oven and bake them. All right, here are my cookies, and let me show you how wonderfully soft and delicious. Oh my goodness, we're gonna have my taste test. Pumpkin Snickerdoodle pumpkin cake mix cookies.
Snickerdoodle pumpkin cake mix cookies.
Yeah, 2 ingredient pumpkin cookies made with Snickerdoodle, made into Snicker. I don't know.
Made with a cake mix?
Yes, what? It's 2 ingredients.
Mmm. Mmm. It's really good. It has a different consistency than the other one.
Yep.
It's really good though. Yum.